Hey mini artist, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to draw Reindeer, Rudolph the reindeer, but with a twist, and he is in Roblox. So pick up your pens and follow me along. First, we are going to draw two potatoes, one as his head and one as his body. And then we're going to connect those potatoes together and then give him some sort of shape. So to begin with, let's draw the first potato, something like this. Now let's leave some space for his ear and his nose. For example, this one is for his nose, and this one is for his ear. Make sure these lines are connected to one another. So for his ear, we're gonna draw some sort of a leaf, something like this. And for his nose, we are going to draw an almost of a circle shape. So like this. Now, let's draw the rest of his body because we talked about this. So we're gonna draw another potato in this area. It's relatively the same shape and size. So let's do it from here. Let's draw like this, bend it, and bring it back and connect it to the body. Now, there are some parts of him that are left. First, let's start by his legs. Let's draw his legs. So his legs are sort of shaped like his nose. So let's draw an egg-shaped form. Something like this. For his rear legs and for his front legs, another two eggs in this area. This. And like this for his front legs. All right, now there are a couple of things that are left. One is his eye, then his tail, and lastly his horns. So let's start by the most simple one, which is his tail. It's another leaf shaped, so let's just do something like this. Now for his eyes, we are going to draw a big egg in this area. Something like this. And then let's draw the line that separates the black part of his eye from the white part. Something like this. And let's draw a reflection in his eyes and black out his iris. like that. Now, when it comes to his horn, you can draw the trunk of a tree. So some sort of a shape like this. And then bring it back down and mirror it. So just like how we drew this part, draw the other side of it. Like that. So that was his right one. Now let's draw his left one. So it's again some sort of a shape like this. And bringing it back down. Now, we can add another branch, so and so called, to his horn. So let's do that, but let's bring this back down. So it looks much nicer, because symmetry is one of the things that ruin a drawing, because humans are not perfect, so we cannot draw something symmetrical 100%. Alright, and there you have it. This is the Rudolph the Reindeer, but in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a thumbs if you liked it, or leave a subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.